Hey everyone, this is Ruth L. Snyder joining you from Get Clients, Build Community. Today I want to talk to you about tools I find helpful in my writing, and I hope that you are going to find them helpful as well. Get Clients, Build Community is on a mission. Our mission is to bring inspiration and innovation to authors, coaches, and entrepreneurs around the world. Get Clients, Build Community would like to introduce some of our services. We offer coaching packages, individual coaching or group coaching to help you get from dream to done. We also offer courses from book idea to first draft in 30 days. 5-day challenge and program. Turn Twitter into your lead generation machine using Twitter Spaces. Professional book formatting, providing you with publisher-ready files. Personalized marketing plan, a powerful plan to get clients and build community that suits your personality. We strive for excellence in everything we do, and it shows. If you're looking to write, publish, and/or profit from your books, we can help. Thanks for joining me today. As I mentioned, today I want to talk about tools I find helpful in my writing. So the first tool I have is probably one that everybody uses, but maybe not. It's Word, Microsoft Word. And what I really like about Microsoft Word is that you are able to use several features like the styles feature. If you go to the top of your screen, you will see that there are styles there. And what I like about using the styles, so you can pick from title, headline, normal, paragraph, those kind of things. And you can actually set them up so that they're personalized to what you want them to be for your specific document that you're working on. And what I really appreciate about them, maybe it's because I format other people's manuscripts and I find that they don't use this option. But when you use the style option, when you go to format your book, all the formatting will turn out really well if you use the styles feature, because it puts code into your document that is able to be recognized by formatting software. And so you won't have to go through and let the formatting software know that this is a title, or this is a chapter, or this is a paragraph, or whatever it is. So if you haven't used the styles feature, make sure you check it out and start using it. And I think you'll agree with me that it does help in your writing. Another feature that I like to use from Word is the dictate feature. And I've talked about speaking your book before. If you go to the top of your screen in Microsoft, you should find a little microphone icon. If you can't find it, just go to the help section and search for recording. And it's not perfect. It is artificial intelligence, so you will have to go back and edit whatever you put into your Word document through speaking, but it is sometimes faster, often faster than writing. You do need to know, though, that when you dictate something, it uses a different part of your brain than when you use a pen and paper or when you use your keyboard. And so you may have to adjust some of the things that you do if you choose to dictate your book. And then, of course, something that's really important is being able to access the word count. And Word makes that really easy to use. In the tools bar, you can check your grammar and spelling and also find out how many words are in your document. So those are several reasons that I enjoy using Word. I also use Google Docs, especially if I'm working on a project with other people. And Google Docs has many of the same features. You can use the styles. You can dictate your manuscript, and it also provides a word count for you. So if you don't have Microsoft Word, Google Docs is free. You can use it. And like I said, if you're collaborating with somebody else on a writing project, it's really helpful because you can send them the document and they can actually edit it with you at the same time. So you can have the documents up on your screen. You can have it on, and your friend or partner can have it on, and you can watch as they edit and they can watch as you edit. So that's an interesting thing to try if you haven't tried that on Google Docs. The second tool that I find helpful is Google Forms. And I especially like Google Forms if I'm doing research and collecting information from other people. It's like you can create surveys if you want in there. You can ask any question you want, and there are options for one-line answers or paragraph answers, or you can make it multiple choice. So you can create the form any way you want, and then Google provides a link that you can send out to people, and they can access the form that way and give you the information that you are looking for. So if you are wanting to know people's stories to include in your book, or if you're doing research on what works for people, or anything related to what you're writing and you need input from other people, Google Forms is really helpful for that. A third tool that I use, and I have an iPhone, but I'm sure that Android has a similar feature. I have a notes app on my iPhone, which connects to my computer and my iPad. And so I use that because if I am on the go at the grocery store or waiting for my kids, I can put something into my note app, and then I can pull it up on my phone or my computer or my iPad later. And I can work on the ideas that came to me when I was, well, wherever I was. So I find the Notes app really helpful, and I use that a lot for taking notes and for jotting ideas, and even for dictating, because there is a dictate feature on the Note app. Another tool that I use often, number 4, is grammarly.com. And there is a free version of this, which does certain things. If you want more features, then you pay for options. But I find Grammarly helpful for initial edits that I need to make. It will catch simple spelling errors. It will help with grammar suggestions. And so after I have finished a manuscript the first time through, I will open it in Grammarly and I will take a look and see what the suggestions are there. And like I said, this is helpful for initial edits. It does not take the place of having someone edit your manuscript, but it will save time and money if you do send your manuscript to an editor, if you have gone through Grammarly and made changes that they suggest in your document. So use that as an initial editing tool, and I think you'll find it helpful. If you are writing something like a devotional or a document where you need scripture references or quotes, I find Bible Gateway is very helpful. So it's biblegateway.com. And it's an easy way to look up scripture references. You can also type in a subject that you're researching, and it will provide scripture references for you to read and study. And there are also a lot of tools on there if you want to do some deeper study into scripture and do word searches and things like that. So Bible Gateway is a really helpful tool if you are working on a devotional or something that you need scripture references in to support what you're writing. Those are tools that I use quite often. There are other tools that I use on a as needed basis, but if you start with those, I think they will get you quite a ways in your writing. So, Microsoft Word, that's something that you have to have an account for. Google Docs is free on Google Chrome, so check that out. Google Forms is also on Google Chrome. You can find it there. The Notes app is on an iPhone. And like I said, I'm sure there's something similar on the Android, an app that you can download. Grammarly has a free version, or you can also upgrade to a paid version. And Bible Gateway also is a free on your browser. You can access Bible Gateway. So I hope you find these helpful. If you have other questions about writing, publishing, or marketing your book, let me know, and I will cover those topics in a future episode. For now, I wish you a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that you found the content helpful. And if you want to think about next steps in your journey, I would like you to join me in a free coaching call. We can meet for 30 minutes and discuss what you found helpful and where you are feeling stuck. I help entrepreneurs write, publish, and profit from their books. And so, if you are in any stage of that journey, whether you're just thinking about a book, or you are in the middle of writing a book, or you are publishing a book, or working on marketing your book, I would love to join you. You'll find the link below. I look forward to talking with you.